Hey guys, it's Farrah. Welcome to my channel. So in today's video, we are just going to be giving my refrigerator a good cleaning and decluttering. There's some spills, there's a few things that just need to be tossed, and it just needs a good cleaning. And then we are going to move on to my oven. I recently purchased a non-stick oven liner, which I'm super excited about. Keith and I have always used tinfoil to line our oven, which is kind of a hassle because you have to change it out regularly. Every time there's a spill, you have to change it out, and this is supposed to be super easy just to wipe down. So I'm pretty excited about that. Before I get started on the refrigerator, I wanted to go over with you guys what I got from Grove. I placed an order recently, and I just want to show you guys of items that I got off this adorable fake bake shop that I found off Instagram. She makes fake cakes, cupcakes, macaroons, shakes, ice cream cones. I mean, and it all looks so real. But I thought I'd show you that. I have some plans in mind for my kitchen area, so that's all I'm gonna say for now. But I will show you those as well. But first I will go over the Grove order with y'all, and then we will get started on that fridge. So let's do this. So they threw in this 2-pack of multi-purpose cleaner in the orange and rosemary, and it's a very fresh, clean scent. And then they gave me this glass spray bottle for free as well. I have like 3 or 4 of these, but they're so pretty. I'll show you guys. So it's just got like the white rubber glove at the bottom, gripper, whatever you want to call that. And then I got this walnut and cellulose scrubber sponge. They always throw this in for free. And then I got some multi-surface cleaner in rose scented. I love this stuff. It smells so good, you guys. And then I also got some dish soap in the rose scent, which I also really like. I got some hand soap in the lemon verbena. I also got this hand sanitizing gel. It's in blood orange scent. Haven't tried that yet. Also got the 7th generation chlorine free bleach made with hydrogen peroxide, because y'all, bleach is like super harsh. And yeah, so this is all natural, which I love, and it does work well, you guys. My sheets were looking really dingy, and this really helped brighten my sheet. Scent boosters in lavender scent. I haven't used these yet, but I am looking forward to it. I also got some more of these reusable bags. These things are so handy, you guys, especially if you make, if you're making school lunches every day for your kids. And I was making them for 4 of my kids, so we were going through the disposable bags like crazy, y'all. So I went ahead and bought some of these. I have a few of the gallon sized, and then I have more of the sandwich sized ones. But this one here is just like a snack sized one. And then this one here is another sandwich sized one. So I've got quite a nice little stash going on, but these things are just so nice, you guys. They also have them in this pattern here, but they're just really thick, durable, really durable, thick plastic, and they're just really nice to have. And now I'm not having to use, to go through the disposable ones quite so fast. So yeah. And I thought I'd show you guys another oxygen whitener that I ordered from my last order. It's Molly Suds oxygen whitener, and it's chlorine free as well, color safe, brightens dull whites, and this is made with essential oils, so it's also non-toxic and all natural. And it did make my sheets look nice and bright. I also wanted to show you guys how Grove always leaves a personalized thank you note, but this time they were like, "We love you, Farrah. I love you too, Grove. Thanks for making my day." Okay guys, so we are in my kitchen, and I'm trying to be careful because we are right in the middle of a kitchen makeover / transformation. Keith is still working on the backsplash. He has a moment to work on it, something breaks. And yesterday it was our lawnmower, and we really have to keep our grass short because of all the snakes that we get out here in the Midwest. We get a lot of water moccasins, so fixing the mower was definitely priority. And so he keeps having to put off the backsplash, but he's making a lot of progress. So we should be posting the kitchen makeover here very soon, hopefully. But here is the fake bake cake, whatever you want to call it, that I got off of Instagram. Is this adorable or what, y'all? This is like crushed up pecans, and it just looks so real. The frosting, the whipped cream, it just looks crazy real. And then we've got some strawberries and some blueberries and some cherries on top. But I just thought that was just beautiful, so pretty. Then I got 2 double scooped strawberry ice cream cones. You guys, I thought this was just absolutely adorable. I ordered some ice cream cone, they're like stainless steel ice cream cone holders off Amazon that I should be getting here real soon, but for now I'm just putting them in these glass wine glasses. But are those adorable or what, you guys? My plans for this area is just to kind of make it look like a dessert. I just want like desserts and stuff. I plan on getting more of some more like she makes milkshakes and macaroons and like cupcakes and stuff like that. So I plan on buying a few more to put in here. But yeah, this was just like a little sneak peek for y'all. So anyways, let's get started on that fridge. So here I have everything I'm going to be using to clean the fridge and the oven. So for the refrigerator, I'm going to be using my Love Meg in the cucumber and melon. This stuff smells so good, you guys. Even my husband loves it. And then for the oven, I'm going to be using Purple Power. It's a degreaser that my hubby left for me. He said it works really well, so I'm gonna spray the oven down right now before I get started on the fridge. That way it can sit and loosen up all that gunk in there and hopefully make it easier for me to wipe it down. I'm also going to use this Mrs. Meyer's baking soda cream cleaner, probably to clean the glass in the oven, the glass door. I also bought these soap pads. They're heavy duty steel wool to help me scrub that oven. And then this handy dandy scraper that my hubby left for me as well. And then after we're all done cleaning it up, I'm gonna be putting in this oven liner that I'm really excited about. So yeah, and I got this from like a local kitchen store that I have here in town, but you guys can probably find one of these anywhere, Walmart, Amazon. So yeah, let's do this.
is when they sing and dance. Oh, I wish it was me every night. When I close my eyes, I see beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you when you say that beauty lives in me too. Later, it comes later, dear, for many of us. I promise you that we learn through the wrongs, and even the rough can be sweet. Just close your eyes and know beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you when you say that beauty lives in me It's gonna take some time to get there. I don't care. I'm in for the fight. It's gonna take some time, but I know that beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you when you say that beauty lives in me too. Beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you when you say that beauty lives in me
For those that are new, first of all, thank you so much for being here. I'm so thankful for all of you. Your support is so very appreciated. My name's Farrah. I'm a mother of 7 kiddos. Jacob, he's my Marine. He's 19. Gabriel's 15. Judah will be a teenager this July. Naomi is 11. Joe is 9. Abe is 5. And Marshall is 3. I'm married to my best friend and soulmate, Keith. It's hard to believe that we've been married for 21 years. I feel ancient. I grew up in the city of Riverside, California, but now I'm a country girl living in the backwoods of the Midwest. I'd love for you to join my YouTube fam and subscribe if my content interests you. This includes mostly cleaning and organization, but also cooking, clothing, decor, and grocery hauls, makeovers, an occasional family vlog, usually when there's like something special going on. Feel free to stick around and say hey in the comments. So here I'm attempting to wipe down this tray with one hand while filming with the other hand. I guess I haven't really mastered it yet, but practice makes perfect. Okay guys, so spraying the oven with a degreaser and letting it sit for like an hour or so really helped loosen all the gunk. I really didn't even need to use the scraper, though it was still a tough job, which took some literal elbow grease. When I was done, my fingers were stained like this orangey reddish color and I had grease in my nails. It's always worth it though. But I'm obviously cleaning the door first since I'll be having to lean on it to clean the inside, but I still made sure to wear Keith's black apron that he uses when he's grilling to keep my shirt from getting dirty. I also want to make mention that another good degreaser we use is called Goo Gone, FYI. I've also taken the grates out and placed them in my sink to soak in the degreaser while I scrub the oven. Oh, and you guys, I absolutely love this baking soda cream cleaner. It's pretty gentle, it's scratch free, and this one happens to be in the scent lemon verbena, and it just smells so good. I want to say that I got it at Lowe's. I definitely want to recommend gloves for those of you that plan on cleaning out your oven if you don't want your fingers dyed and grease in your nails. now I'm gonna scrub all the burnt black stuff off the grates with the steel wool soap, pads, and the baking soda cream. You can see that the burnt stuff was coming off with ease. Those steel pads are awesome, and I love that they're infused with soap. After I was done scrubbing the grates, I washed them with some Dawn dish soap and dried with paper towels.
Watching me steady, I know, wondering why I'm so hollow.
So this about wraps it up, y'all. Thank you so much for cleaning along with me. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Head over to Instagram and follow me under Supermom of 7. And I hope to see y'all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Bye.